Hello friends, welcome to our channel. BJP's Babul Supriyo announces exit from politics, says will also resign as MP. Babul Supriyo, the BJP MP from West Bengal who was dropped from the union cabinet in the reshuffle on Saturday, announced he is quitting politics. In a post on his official Facebook page, Supriyo wrote, "Goodbye, I'm not going to any political party, TMC, Congress, CPM, nobody has called me, I am not going anywhere, no one need not to be in politics to do social work." However, he later edited his post to remove the part about not going anywhere. While he did not take any names, Supriyo did say there is a clash among the senior leadership of the party in the state, which is demoralizing the workers. I would like to say there was a lot of contradiction between me and the party leadership then that started way before the elections. I thought that was normal, but those incidents were often being brought to the fore. For that, some leaders were as much possible as myself. I too had shared a post on social media which can be seen as an act of breaching party discipline, said Supriyo. However, it was clear that the clash of opinions among the senior leadership was not only harmful for the party but was enough to break the confidence of ground zero workers. This was unwanted. He further said the singer turned politician also said he is resigning as a member of parliament and will vacate his government allotted residence within a month. While bringing up his win in 2014, Supriyo said lot has changed for the BJP in the state since then. The scenario in Bengal in 2014 was quite different from that of 2019. With all due respect to SS Ahluwalia, with the JGM being BJP's ally in Darjeeling back then, I have to say that I was the only one who on a BJP ticket, but today BJP is the main opposition party in Bengal. The party today has both young and experienced members who can help the party to go a long way. Nevertheless, it has been made clear that an absence of a particular face from the party won't make a lot of difference today, and I believe I am making the right choice by accepting this fact, said Supriyo. He was recently dropped as a Union Minister of State for Environment as a part of Modi government's cabinet reshuffle. Supriyo had confirmed his resignation through a post on social media. I have been asked to resign and I have. However, as soon as afterthought, he edited his post. I resigned from the Council of Ministers. He then went to add what happened is a sarcastic comment. I had framed it earlier, asked to resign may not be the right way to put it. Meanwhile, the TMC leadership mocked the BJP unit for failing to take everybody along the term Supriyo social media post as a drama. So, friends, this is the news which is related to the politics in which a politician, a single-term politician resigned as MP from his post. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest videos like this.